Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kuku hitam. This is a R180 China diesel engine or Dongfeng diesel engine. Have a trouble? The diesel cannot turn on. How to repair it? Follow this video until the end. Enjoy watching. Try to turn on the diesel. Look the video. The diesel cannot turn on. Oil give to intake manifold. Look the video. And then try again to turn on the diesel. And the diesel cannot turn on again. Fuel injection pipe loosen. Look this. With a 17 branch. Fuel injector nut loosen with a 13 branch. There is two nut. Look this. Nut loosen with a 13 branch. If not loosen, and then fuel injector key loosen. Look this. This is a fuel injector. And then clean fuel injector. How to clean it? Look the video. And then look this. This is the problem why the diesel cannot turn on. Dirty and clogged chamber hole. Look this. This dirty, and we must clean the chamber hole. Look this. When the diesel cannot turn on if the chamber hole clogged, that cause fuel cannot into the combustion chamber. How to hold chamber clean? Look the video. a full chamber clean, and then install fuel injector and fuel injection pipe. Install fuel injector key and fuel injector key nut. And then tighten the nut with a 13 branch. Look the video. And then fuel injection pipe tighten with a 17 branch. If all item in toilet, try to turn on the diesel. And look this, the diesel turn on. And cause the diesel cannot turn on, chamber hole dirty and clogged. That the video this time on the Diesel Tech channel might be useful. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kuku hitam.